salute President Obama by eagle, rain, desert, shadow, star. A stupid person once articulated that the one instructing a person to fly should not interrupt the one flying. I use the word stupid simply because one never knows whether or not such an utterance could catapult a person to an altitude beyond which they otherwise would not have been catapulted. Whilst earning my certificate of higher education in law from the University of Huddersfield, which is situated in the United Kingdom and reminiscent of the Union Jack, I stumbled upon the profound